Hello everybody and welcome back to LMM, and if you're enjoying what you're seeing on the channel at the moment, how about giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to the channel to help us grow, and perhaps even check out our Patreon. Today, well, yes, we're still looking at the Jimny. It is still here, and I know what you're all thinking. Lawrie, surely you haven't made a video just telling us the merits of this Jimny, a car legendarily known for its ability to stay on all four wheels. Well, yes I am. This is still for sale at the low price of £400. Whoever pays me that money first can come along and take it away. That's what Matt paid for it, and it's what Matt wants for it. It comes with such amazing features as doors to go back over the gaps where it used to have doors, and a rear door to go over the back, although the bolts on that have been sheared off where Matt forgot about the lefty loosey righty tighty thing. It comes with extra wheels. It comes with an extra bonnet. In fact, it actually comes with an extra engine. It also comes with additional roll bar if you want to make it into a crop top. It comes with many things inside, including seats, a dash, a steering wheel, and an airbox. Many things. And currently, if you really want a challenge, you could make it left or right-hand drive. It has a side exit exhaust because that's pretty cool. Now, this thing, I believe we have actually had it running, although Matt's plan was to take the carburetor off because the carb it comes with, I think, is an auto choke thing, and it's notoriously not very happy. So he was going to swap it over with a different carb, which makes this car much happier indeed. We've also had it lifted off the chassis to be able to inspect that and the bottom of the shell, and it turns out both are in pretty good condition. Matt's plan was to go through and repaint and underseal everything because his plan had been to take it off the road and to do the green laning thing, and so he wanted to give it the best possible protection that he could before exposing it to the elements. Of course, he's not done that, and we put it back on its chassis because it was taking up 2 spaces. So that's there. It has such things as ragged arches for cutting off fingers of people who touch it. You can also see where the weld on the inside, where the new boxy wheel arches were added, has come through on the outside. It's got high, low and diff lock maybe? It's definitely got high-low range. It's, yeah, okay, it's definitely a project, isn't it? It's a project that really needs a home. I have other stuff that's going to be turning up here in the coming weeks here at LMM, which you'll see whenever I get around to editing it. And this space now that it takes up is now needed for other vehicles. So please come take it home. For those of you who are going to Rustival this weekend, the big event being organised by Hubnut, Furious Driving and iDriver Classic, you could take this. A hard week's work, as long as you don't need to sleep and you can slow down time. You get off this back on the road, ready to take with you to the show. And wouldn't that be something? So yeah, it's still here. I'm still waiting for someone to buy it. Please, someone pay me some money and take it away. I can deliver, it needs to be gone. So if anyone's out there who wants it. It also has features such as a windscreen wipers, probably windscreen washer, in fact. I imagine it has that. It has a really cracking audio system, as long as you bring that yourself and install it yourself. It has Bluetooth, as long as you bring that and install that yourself. It has very little electronics whatsoever, so there's none of that modern rubbish of the computer dying and stranding you. As long as this has got fuel, air and a spark, it will keep going forever. Or for a mighty long time anyway. So there it is. If you do want more information on the Jimny, drop me an email and I'll try to help you out, or I'll pass you on to Matt, who will be able to give you all the information. But please take it away. It needs to go. So 400 quid, Jimny's yours. It will make a great green laning car. As I said, it will probably stay on 4 wheels for at least some of your green laning experience. If not, yeah, some, definitely some. And I'm genuinely sad that it's going to go because I think it would have been great fun. But there we go. Drop me a line. Please take this away. And thanks for watching this very short video. Ta-ra for now, guys. And of course, if you have enjoyed this one, click somewhere over there for when the Jimny turned up, and down there for one of What's Broken Now, where we separated it from the chassis. Please? Just remove it. It rolls really easily as well. Look at that. Really rolls so well.